on-channel Linguistic Melange, and I'm your teacher Kishwar Nazli, and you know that we have done all 6 C's of communication, and the last one is left, that is correctness. Correctness, as the name indicates, that everything should be written correctly. So here in correctness we can say that it is a use of proper grammar, punctuation and spelling, sentence structure also. Some messages, though grammatically and mechanically complete and perfect, may insult or lose a customer. So you have to be very careful. For instance, if you say to your boss, complete the work by tomorrow. Grammatically, this is a correct sentence, complete the work by tomorrow, but the tone, because you cannot say, this is not the right sentence structure, you cannot use imperative sentence with deadline to your boss. So you have to take care of these things, that what is correctness, it might be grammatically and mechanically perfect, but they may insult or lose a customer. So remember, use the right level of language, whether you are using formal, informal, substandard. So you have to choose carefully, and I have told you already that there is a difference between creative and academic writing. So please be careful that use the right level of language. Either it is formal or informal, either it should be formal or informal. And second, like check accuracy of figures. This is also your duty in correctness also, like in correctness you need to mention specific numbers, but in correctness you will see the accuracy of that figures and numbers and ratios. Like you can say that correctness is the editing of all your messages, okay? And do not use ambiguous and confusing words, like for instance put off. So in our culture we do not use most phrasal verbs, so sometimes it might be confusing. So please use clear word with correct, and especially spelling must be correct, because it's wrong spelling, incorrect sentence structure create a very low impression to your clients. Do not think they do not know the English. They do not know English. They all know English. They might know English. So be correct. Like by using, you have to use three things in your mind. Choose correct level of language. It will depend on the audience. I have told you so many times, analyze the audience is the key of business communication. Like where to use extremely formal, where to use less formal, you have to take care of that. And secondly, check accuracy of figure, data information, like how can it should be, is there a tabulation? You should check that how the tables are made, the columns are perfectly built, perfectly designed, or what is the way of showing graph. So that is accuracy of figures, facts and words. And do not use ambiguous, confusing words, as I mentioned, phrasal words or any other words which is not used, which might confuse other. For instance, any proverb you are using, that would create confusion. And these are the 3 things which you use for make your messages correct. So I hope all C's are done now. You have understood, and you will use all the C's according to the requirement. They are all spices, and where to use with the ratio, you have to be very you have to be very thorough in this case. So business communication is all about to convey the correct message, the exact message which you want to be delivered. There should not be any literal explanation, metaphorical language. I have told you so many times that it should be clear, there should be clarity, there must be brevity. Okay? Use as much as it is required, but with complete consideration, with complete correctness, clarity, completeness, whatever we have done. So I hope all of the C's are now, you got them, and you will be using all of the C's wisely. Okay, then next time in my next video I will be doing something else. Please write in the comment box. As you write, I am very happy. So if you want to make some other video, one of my students told me to make a video of letter of transmittal, so my next video will be on letter of transmittal. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.